Hello, in the following video, we are going to see how to retroactively run a Shopify Flow. For this, I already have the Shopify Flow installed in my store, and I am going to create a very simple flow over here. Let's, for example, add a trigger to be order created. And let's say that we want to add a tag to the order once it has been created. So let's add an action here and look for order path. Add order tags. And over here, let's add a tag, something like Shopify Flow tag. And let's name this Shopify Flow test. And let's turn this on. Now, all orders created after I have turned this on will have this tag. And for this, I have a checkout with all of the details of credit filled in. And once I click on Pay Now, we are going to see that the order has been created. And if I go to the admin in Shopify and before orders, my most recent order over here has Shopify Flow tab. However, this order over here was created before I had created and enabled my Shopify Flow, so it doesn't have this tab. The way to run this flow for this order is to simply click on the order and then on More Actions, Chrome Flow Automation, and select from this list once it loads. Might need to refresh it. Over here it is. Select from this list the flow that you want to run for this order. Once I run it, we can see the flow results, and I can also go to orders and see that once I click this, we do have the Shopify Flow tag added to this order. Now, if you have a lot of orders, doing this one by one can take a lot of time. So you can also do this in bulk by selecting all of your orders like this, and you will click on More Actions. However, you see that here you do not have the option to run a Shopify Flow. And the reason for that is because you have to look for that over here in these three dots. You see over here, Run Flow Automation. And you can select over here this flow and run it. It will not do anything right now because these orders already have the Shopify Flow tag. But if we go to Flow over here, click on this one, and see past runs, we can see that we have these two just now. All of these count as manual runs, and this one counts as a trigger event because it ran when an order was created. All of these ones at the top ran when I did so manually from the orders tab, as you saw a moment ago. One last thing to notice is that if you do have a lot of orders where you want to run this retroactively, you might see that this button is grayed out. The reason for this is because there is a limit to the number of items that can run a flow retroactively. If you do encounter this issue, you will just have to select them batch by batch, meaning 50 by 50. So you select 50 first, then go to the next page in the orders tab, select them all again, run the flow again, and so on until you finish running the flow for all of your past orders or all of the orders that apply. I do not have as many orders in this store, so I cannot show this process to you, but this is how you will solve this issue in case you do encounter it. And that's it for this video. A short one, but hopefully you learned something new along the way. If you found this video helpful, remember to like and subscribe for more Shopify related content, and I will see you all in the next one.